California's hospitals are in crisis. You just heard from healthcare workers across the state as they face wave after wave of COVID patients with very little expectation of relief anytime soon. And despite every effort, the numbers of COVID patients being admitted to California hospitals is on the rise, now nearing 21,000. And the ability of those hospitals to maintain a high level of care has been dropping. A new report from the LA Times paints a horrific picture of the reality inside these COVID wards. With ICUs at capacity, patients are put in anywhere they can find space. That's waiting rooms, conference rooms, and even the gift shop to try and receive care. And while hospitals may be able to push the limits of their physical space, there are simply not enough healthcare workers to provide a safe level of care if this surge continues. Even oxygen, which is, of course, integral in treating COVID patients, is now in short supply. And these conditions have a devastating impact. On Monday, the Los Angeles Department of Health reported this staggering statistic. This past week in LA County, someone died from COVID every 10 to 15 minutes. Joining me now is Dr. Barbara Ferrer, director of the Los Angeles Department of Public Health. Doctor, thank you so much for being with us. Can you please just start by explaining to us just how bad things are in California right now?
Sure. Thanks so much, Casey. And, obviously alarming and devastating days. And we've experienced a month now of continued increases in the number of people that test positive every day for COVID-19. Right now, it's about 600 people in LA County alone are testing positive every hour for COVID-19. That drives the number of people that end up being hospitalized. And unfortunately, that increase in the number of people being hospitalized is also driving now this huge increase that we're seeing in the number of people who pass away. We're averaging around 14,000 to 15,000 people a day testing positive here in LA County for COVID-19. About 10 to 12% of people who test positive at some point end up needing hospital care. So you could rapidly see why that's overwhelming the hospital care system here in LA County. In fact, we are having today, we'll be reporting over 7,000 patients are in the hospital today who are positive for COVID-19. That, again, will be the highest number of patients hospitalized on any given day. But every single day in December, we have broken a record on the number of people needing hospital care.
Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Meet the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.